Alright, welcome back to Shamu's Biology, and we are discussing about HR interview question series. And in this particular video, we are going to discuss about a very important question. And this question is generally asked to a person who is already experienced, have done job in a particular company, and recently left that job for a new job in a new company. So they will ask a question: why did you leave your last job? Obviously, they'll ask it with a question mark. Why did you leave your last job? If they ask you this question, why did you leave your last job, there's a tricky question because you cannot say the exact reason that you left the last job for. So basically here, what you want to say, what you need to say, there are three key points that we are going to discuss, which is going to help you to answer this question: why did you leave your last job? So the first one is, start by thanking the former company. Whatever may be the reason, you must be gratitude, you must show gratitude to the company that you left the job for. So start by thanking them that you learned something for working for that company. Because if you say bad things about a company, no matter whether that company is a competitor company of the current one, you should not say bad things, because the current HR will think that if you can say bad thing about your former company, obviously you're going to say bad thing about this company when you leave this one. So never say that. Second thing, aim of personal and financial growth. Always stick to the aim of personal and financial growth. Everyone needs to grow in their life. So life, the other name is moving on. So you can move on from one job to the other, second to the third. It's quite fine actually to switch jobs. There's no crime in switching job. And also everyone gets to settle and gets to have an increment in their financial, in their financial supply. And this company can provide that. So say that that's one reason to leave that early company. And last is the upgradation of skills. So obviously you say that you want to learn new skills. You've learned many things from your existing company or the former company, but now in this company you're going to learn some more skills, and you're always looking forward to learn and gather new skills and knowledge. So focus on these 3 points and construct a beautiful paragraph, a beautiful saying, which is going to answer why did you leave your last job question. So in reply to why did you leave your last job question, the best answer that you can say is this: I'm thankful to my former company to expose myself to many new set of skills that I have learned from them. This is the first statement, thanking your former company. Second statement, life is all about opportunities, and I can see bigger, better opportunity here in this company. In this case, you're glorifying this company, but you're not vilifying the existing or former company. So I have decided to explore new domains of responsibility and work. That shows your eagerness to work in this new company. Okay. And I'm a kind of a person who is always looking for upgradation of knowledge. So it sometimes becomes necessary to move on to help myself grow professionally and financially. And this statement basically covers up 2 and 3, the key point 2 and 3. So basically that concludes the idea. Okay. I'm thankful to my former company. You start with that. Life is all about opportunities, and I can see bigger, better opportunities there. Positive statement about the upcoming company. So I've decided to explore new domains, eagerness to start work, and I'm kind of a person who wants to upgrade my knowledge. So always show yourself to gather new knowledge, new information. Okay. And it is necessary to move on from one company to the other to grow professionally and financially. That is a fair statement. So once you say this, it's going to give you the best reply from the HR, the best answer to the question, why did you leave your last job? So this is the way you can answer why did you leave your last job. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to this channel to get more and more videos like that in future. Thank you. Bye.